This experiment is going to show you how to make bubbles that don't burst. The members of our team are
Teodora,
Aleksandar,
Angela, Teona.
Venesa.
For this experiment, we will need glycerin, bubble maker wand, soap, bowl, water, spoon, and woolen gloves. First, we pour water in the bowl. Then we add soap in it and we mix it. Then we add glycerin to it and we mix it all together. And then we put on our woolen gloves and we take the bubble maker wand and we make bubbles with it. So why doesn't the bubble burst? That is because the glycerin makes the mass of the bubble become denser and stronger. Thank you for your attention.
После си тече дуваме од сабо.
Чекај. Да, и сега по-mature сум, ако ти така не смиташ. Нямаме много средњава животот.